First, start measuring your fabric. You'll take from this end, measure in centimeters up to 35. Where there's 35, that's where you mark with your chalk. And then after that, you will measure 25 from this point, 25 centimeters, and then measure that point with a chalk. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut just like this. So after you've cut your fabric, what you want to do is fold it in half like this, and then you're going to take your tape measure and then measure 4 centimeters from each corner, just like this. And then you're going to take your marker, measure 4 centimeters. Okay, I think I should measure 4 centimeters from here to here. And then measure from here to here. So after that, you're gonna do that for all 4 corners, and then you're gonna cut all of them. But firstly, before cutting, you need to secure your fabric. After, you should have a shape like this. So what you're going to do is that you're going to sew around here and here and here, and then this side and this side. Leave the ends open. You can either do this by machine or with this around here. I sewed in zigzag because my fabric is frailing. So what you'll do is turn the fabric inside out. Yeah. Just like so. Take this side, just like so. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to sew from here around here. Even this side, you're going to sew just around the edge like this. After you have sewn the sides, your fabric should be looking something like this. And then what you're going to do is turn it over like this, and then have it like so. So the sides like this. You have to have pins to sew all these corners. You're going to sew around here. You're going to sew around here. You'll be sewing around here. All these corners that you have pinned, you're going to sew around. So after you're done, your mask should be looking something like this. And then, as you can see, I have used a needle and a thread to sew this part. And the next step here is to do this. Roll it like this, and then you're going to sew around this part.
Yeah, is that you're gonna tie your thread like so, and then you're gonna gwaza here, pull just here on the edge. You're gonna put your needle, okay, pull like so. Pull, so it creates almost an invisible stitch, like so. Pull, so you see
this side is the finished one. You want to aim for something like this. This is how you're gonna make a strap. You can measure according to how you want to tie it at the back. And then to make a strap, you're going to fold this part like this, fold the other one like this, then fold the entire thing like this. Secure this, and you're gonna do this for the rest of the strap, like so. So you're gonna sew here on the edge. After you have sewn, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like a strap like this. So you're gonna put on those holes in your mask, and then here at the end you're gonna fold twice, and then I used a hand stitch to sew this, as you can see, just to make things a bit neat. So in order for you to put this into this tiny weeny hole, you'll need a safety pin. Put it like so. There we go. So please like and subscribe to my channel. The following will be pictures of how my mask looks like. Yeah, do the right thing, bruh. Peace out.